Hello, friends. Today I'm going to talk about coronavirus, the most sensitive thing in the nation today. More than 2 lakh people have died because of coronavirus. More than 1 crore 83 lakh people have been affected by corona. Now, what is the reason for this? Hospitals does not have beds, oxygen is not sufficient, people are dying like hell, there is no place for cremation. All these things are boiling down to fear and lack of understanding and practical thinking. Let me try to explain more better. What is coronavirus basically? Let's try to understand in very simple terms without going into the medical complications. It is a simple virus infection which is affecting your breathing organ called lungs. Okay, and suppose a person is already having an illness or an ailment like diabetes or cancer or respiratory or cardiovascular thing, it accelerates or the aggression of this disease. Okay, because already the persons who are having this disease are not greatly immune with their organs. So with this coming into picture, it reduces the immunity further down. So that is the reason you start getting breathlessness. Okay, and the existing ailments are getting aggravated. So now there are various methods for you to reduce this impact, fight against corona, and also see that you win over it. It requires a strong mindset, my dear friends. Start like this one. Now, why this? Before that, I'll try to tell you why the second wave is all the more violent. It is destroying people. While wave number 1 we have controlled with extreme pride, we had lockdowns, we were the examples for the entire world. Wave 2 has become just the opposite. People are taking India as a wrong example that we are not maintaining social distancing, we are not hygienic, we are not actually using masks, and our system of health has come for a mockery. Let us try why it has come like this and let us try to come over it. Okay, there's no use of blaming anybody for that. Let us try to see what we can resolve within ourselves and see that we try to fight against this and defeat this corona. It is not a monster for sure. Okay, now there are 2 types of mutations which come as a new variant of B1617, and these mutants they actually spread very rapidly. Okay, they multiply very fastly and affect various parts of the body, and this is the reason when they affect it, the immunity of the body becomes drastically down, and that is the reason people are getting exposed and they ultimately lose their life. Okay, so now this also creates some sort of a oxygen shortage in the hospitals that is also aggravating the scene. Now let's try to say what is our traditional method of trying to combat this. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Why it is not being done? Because people are in the fear syndrome. Okay? Now, the first and the foremost thing is you need to have a mindset that you are going to win over corona. Let us not become panic and make others panic around us. The very reason everything has become a failure is because we don't have a strong mindset. We don't have the willpower to control the virus which has come. Okay? Now, that is not greater than us. We are greater than that. We can combat it, we can fight against it. Now, how do we do that? In a very formal steps. Okay, first thing is, let us not become panic, let us not become afraid of that. Okay, let us do less publicity. Okay, that he has got coronavirus, he has contracted positive, he has been tested positive. Let us not do that publicity. Accept the reality that yes, my relative has got been tested positive, I have been tested positive, my friends have been tested positive. Let us accept the reality. Now you try to go beyond that. After getting positively affected, what is the thing you need to do? How you need to deal with that? What is your course of action for that? Now take medicines as prescribed by the doctor. Take the traditional foods which are going to develop immunity in your body, and observe some strict discipline on a regular basis so that your body becomes extremely strong to fight against it. Okay. Now, what are the precautions you should take? I will give you 3 instances on this. 1, a person who has got symptoms and was being tested positive. First, let us take that scenario into account. When symptoms are present, what are the symptoms which are present? A symptom of fever, a symptom of cough, body pain, sore throat, tasteless feeling, and no smell. When these are the symptoms which you are able to feel, when you go to a doctor, it might turn out to be positive. Okay. Now, the second scenario is who is tested positive, what they need to do. The third scenario is who is having less of oxygen and breathlessness, what they need to do. All the 3 scenarios we will try to cover as much as possible in this video. But the disclaimer I'm going to put it is, I'm not a doctor. I'm not going to advise that you need to strictly do this. We are trying to share the experiences of friends and relatives who have done this and found out very beautiful results on this. They have been tested negative after they have been positive, and now they are leading a very healthy life with great immunity. So we are sharing this experience for the benefit of others. Try to circulate this among your friends and relatives because it does not have a side effect. And this is also what the doctors advocate on various social media platforms. Now, let us take the first scenario. For people who are having symptoms and people who are tested positive, what are the things they need to do on a daily basis and on a repeated basis per day? Okay, take half glass of water, put pepper powder into it, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 cloves, 2 garlic, 1.5 inch of ginger, add betel leaves if there is available, and heat the water for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the water is boiled with all these ingredients, try to drink it as much as possible 3 to 5 times a day. This will develop extreme immunity in your body. Added to that, on a parallel track, try to take some vitamin tablets of B and C. Okay, take oranges, about 3 to 6 oranges. Don't eat spicy food for the time being so that the effect is not nullified. Inhale steam for 6 to 7 times because this has got miraculous results. Steaming has cleared your lungs with infection, with congestion, and your breathlessness. This has got tremendous impact on your body. So try to inhale steam and clear your lungs. With a gap of every 2 hours, try to inhale steam for about 5 minutes. Inhale camphor. Okay, camphor is what we use in puja for doing aarti. Try to inhale that. Take amla fruit on a daily basis. If you take these things, you can very quickly come out of this symptoms, and also people who have been tested positive will turn to be negative. This is what is the general experience of my friends and relatives, which I am going to share with you. Okay, the next one is what precautions we should take on a daily basis. Okay, for 1 or 2. Okay, for 1 and 2 people with breathlessness, what is it you need to do? Make a packet of cloves, spoin and ajwain, 2 or 3 pieces of camphor, few drops of eucalyptus oil, and try to pack it and try to smell that on a regular basis. By smelling that, your lungs are cleared. Okay, your breathing tract is cleared. Your lungs are getting more clearer. The congestion is reduced. The infection is getting beaten. Okay, these are the things you need to do because this was practiced by many of the soldiers and some people living in the northeast India in extreme conditions who have found very good results on that. Try to practice these things as well. Now, how to develop immunity within your body for completely and permanently combating this sort of virus and bacteria, especially corona in specific. Do yoga. Practice yoga at least for 15 minutes to half an hour every day, especially the asana where you try to lie on your stomach and try to lift your hand and legs on both the sides. This will make your digestion even more powerful and your intestinal juices more powerful. Okay. Now drink turmeric mixed milk on a day-to-day basis every night before you go to bed. The milk could be warmer where you mix turmeric powder. Do it on a daily basis. It will have really magical effects on your body to develop immunity. Drink warm water with ginger and lemon boiled in it on rather twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening perhaps. That will also try to clear off many of your lung infections. Do pranayam. Okay, pranayam has been tested and experimented by yogas and sannyasis and sadhus over ages and ages, and that is the secret of their great health and living longer without having any sort of viral infection or bacterial infection. We need to replicate that. That is a scientific way of doing pranayam and combating your lungs very, very clearly. Your nose gets cleared, your lungs get cleared, your air pipe gets cleared, and whatnot. There are innumerable benefits out of pranayam. Try to do pranayam at least for 15 minutes a day, and if it is possible, twice a day. Okay, and do hot water steaming for at least 3 to 5 times a day on a regular basis, especially in these times when corona is getting affected also through the air, which doctors have told. So by doing this, you are making your lungs very, very clear, and you are also fighting against corona by building up an immunity from yourself with it. Okay, friends, these are the few tips which I wanted to share because I have started noting down from my friends and relatives what they are doing to combat this corona. By defeating corona, And this is what I wanted to share. Please circulate this to all your friends and relatives so that they are benefited of it. And this has got no age bar for a kind information, and there is no precondition for this. Thus, people with diabetes should not be doing, people with TB should not be doing, people with cancer should not be. This can be done across all ages, across all levels of people. Okay, and this will have terrific impact on your body immunity, which you will be starting to feel in very few hours, on very few days to come. Okay, friends, please circulate it. And once again, trying to do a disclaimer that I am not a doctor. I am not advising you to compulsorily and mandatorily do this. This has got no side effects. This has been recorded from people's experiences, and we are sharing it in the forum. You are free to take it, or you are free not to take it. With these few words, I wish you a very healthy life and a very immune great health. All the best. And if you like this video, try to like it, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button for getting more and more informative videos from me. Thank you. All the best.